In this video, you'll learn how to create SOPs in ClickUp in a simple, organized way so your team always knows exactly what to do and where to find it. Let's start from your main ClickUp workspace. Think about the space where your company processes logically belong. This might be an operations space, a company HQ space, or something similar. Your SOPs should live in a space that everyone who needs them can easily access. So take a second to make sure you're in the right place before moving on. Once you're in the correct space, look for the small plus icon next to the space name. This is where you'll add new items inside that space. Go ahead and click the plus icon, and from the options that appear, choose List. In ClickUp, a list is like a container or folder where you'll store related tasks. In this case, each SOP will be a task, and the entire collection will be grouped together in one list. Now you'll be prompted to name this new list. Type Company SOPs as the name. Using a clear, generic title like this makes it obvious that this is the central place for all your standard operating procedures rather than just a single department's processes. Once you've entered the name, click Create List. ClickUp will create your new list inside the selected space, and you'll see an empty list view ready for you to start adding SOPs. Before you start adding those SOPs, it's worth setting up a simple workflow so every procedure follows the same life cycle. To do this, look toward the top of your list view for the statuses icon. This controls the different stages a task, or in this case, an SOP can be in. Click that statuses icon and then choose Manage Statuses. Here, you'll define the key steps an SOP should go through from start to finish. A straightforward structure works best, especially if your team is new to ClickUp. Set up statuses such as drafting, review, and approved. Drafting is where new SOPs begin. This is the stage for writing, updating, and refining the content. Anyone creating or revising a procedure will keep it in drafting until it's ready for someone else to look at. Once a draft is ready to be checked, it should move into review. This status signals that another team member, a manager, or a subject matter expert needs to read through it, confirm it's accurate, and suggest any changes. Having a dedicated review step helps maintain consistency and quality across all your procedures. When an SOP has been checked and finalized, move it into the approved status. This status clearly indicates that the document is ready to use and can be followed as an official process. Over time, your approved column will become a trusted library of live, reliable SOPs for your entire organization. After saving these statuses, every new task you create inside the company SOPs list will automatically follow this drafting, review, and approved flow. From here, you can start adding individual SOPs as tasks, assign owners, attach files, and keep everything structured under one centralized list. That's all you need to set up a clean, organized place for your company SOPs in ClickUp with a built-in workflow that keeps them accurate and up to date.